Hello everybody. Merry Christmas. We're okay. Punta kami. Ayun, nakalabas yung mga katulong. Yung mga kwan. Yung mga aliens sa sa ibang nakalabas sa hawla ang mga alien. Yun. So ngayon kakain kami. Punta kami ng doon kami pupunta. Yan, sa taas. Doon.
Bili tayo ng rice cooker.
Huwag na, di na kaya ng kuwan bagahe. Tatlo lang kami, magkasama. Kakain-kain kami.
Kain-kain, wala pa.
Sirado ba? Open ba? Open ba yan o sirado? Sa iba na lang tayo kumain.
Balik tayo doon.
Oo nga, doon na tayo sa
Oh, hindi. Nagbukas.
Hindi, mayroon na tao.
Alzina Plaza.
Yan. Doon tayo doon.
Ito yung bumubukol eh. Pero okay lang.
Kain tayo. Walang mga tao. Baka bawal.
Mabuti yung lahat na tayo.
Yes, sige, go. Nandito kami sa kainan namin. Tagal na namin hindi nakapunta dito. Ilang months na. Since February. Ano?
Dali na ito, magkanta tayo.
Kakanta kami. Kakain kami. Yes. Yan, ang miss namin yung restaurant dito. Flamingo. Saan tayo po? Doon tayo sa dulo. Kami, tatlo. Ano kami lang?
Tatlo kayo?
Opo. Yes. Dito ako. Ate, walang gusto ko dito. Pwede. Kukunin ko lang muna. Ay, nako.
Salamin mo pero
Kama. O, mag-lipstick. Yan, mag-lipstick. Pasok kami ng Gold City. Bibili itong kasama ko.
ayos pa.
Bibili sila. Mapera sila, mapera. Diretso. Saan mo yan? Sa Gold City.
Uy, doon tayo sa kinuhaan natin ng picture. Ay, ng
Utang.
dito pa sa...
Yun na nga.
Ay, hindi.
Oo.
Hi, my friend. It's going down.
Wrong way, ate, wrong way. Umakyat sila sa kuwan nila. Pababa. Ito yung Gold City ng Bahrain. No, lalaki gusto namin. Hindi relo. Lalaki ang gusto namin. Yes, pataas tayo. Una ako sa inyo. Yan, umakyat yan silang dalawa na yan. Sa bababa.
Kayo na una.
Si ate Lodi lang na una. Joke. Yan. Gold City. Punta kami doon. Sana yun natin nagkuhan sa'yo. Saan ba? Yung kay lalaki, may mga picture. Sige, doon. Doon, diretso.
Nahihilo ako, Bill. Saan? Tanda?
Sige, diretso. Mag-alala. I'm at your side.
Dito, doon.
Doon.
Dito.
Yan.
Alin, ito?
Prestige. Yan.
Wala naman siya.
Uy, wala siya. Huwag mo hanapin siya. Yung importante, nandyan ang gold.
Apo.
Hinahanap mo pa yun. Yung mga picture natin nandyan. Hanapin mo ang picture natin. Baka kinuha na tayo. Pinash out na tayo. Hindi, andyan tayo niya. Andun tayo sa taas, oh. Doon kami.
Saan?
Yan, yan. Yun, oh, nakikita ko. Damit.
Ako lang ako nakikita kahit isa.
Tunti, oh. Doon ka, oh.
Oo nga pala.
Katayo ni ate. Yan, oh.
Pero ako wala.
Andyan ka.
Ayun o, si Ate Peli.
Ikaw nga, naka...
Oo nga pala. Ay, si Ate Peli katabi niya.
Oo nga. Tapos si Risa. Si Risa yan. Mayroon pa ko niyan isa. Andun. Andun kami, ti. Naalala mo, ti.
Oo nga, kayong dalawa. Si Tawing ko pala kasama.
Si Tawing. Kami ni Tawing.
Tatlo. Nasuwini yun.
O yan, ngayon siya. Siya yung bantay. Yun siya. Yun pala yung bantay ngayon, oh. Yun siya sa taas. Yun lang kuha namin.
Tapos wala na.
Wala na. Sige na, kuha na kayo. Bakit ba? Kung hinahanap mo siya?
Magpapalagay ako ng ano. Ano ba yung kwintas dito? Because I made little small.
Oh, papalitan mo.
Make it that small.
Yeah.
But I will cut.
Wala tayong pera, hindi tayo bibili.
No, don't cut.
Magtanong ka.
Andre.
Paano hindi may kaka?
Only add that.
Ano ngayon? Ngayon nasa gold tayo. Prestige. Prestige. Jewelry. Prestige. Jewelry. O yun, prestige. Ay, wala kaming pera, so... Iwan ko anong gagawin namin dito. Mangugundam kami. Diba ko? Magaganda yung kuan nila. Wala yung pera. Parang ano, wala na, hindi na kaya, wala na akong pera. Yan, magaganda. No. Follow the Instagram for Prestige Gift Jewelry. Inquire them. Yes. Follow the Instagram and YouTube.
Ask how many gram. No, because the same idea, but the gram.
Magaganda pero wala lang pera. Yan. Ang kapitan. Ang ganda. Gold submarine. Yan. We do costume design with birthstone and diamonds. Oh, bongga.
Kaplusin mo maruda yung buhok ko para madaling umaba.
Customize. Diba customize?
Nabuto pa yung buhok ko
Ano nate? Na-desisyonan na mo yan?
Ganun na lang. Ayaw naman paputol to ng amo
Palagyan mo na lang. Magkano ba ba yun?
5 daw.
Sure ka? Baka mag-iba ng presyo.
Next time you ask her.
Inshallah.
After tell the
Sige na.
customer.
Nandito kami.
How many grams?
3.8.
Yan, may mga suki namin to before eh. Oh, suki pa din. Pero wala kami labas na. Nandun kami yun.
No, 108.
Tingnan mo to, Bel. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo na parang umitim siya.
Yun.
Diba?
Tell this one password
Yan.
999.
Linisin lang yan.
Ha? Nilinis ko na to.
Yan. Nandun ako. Naka-red and white.
3.7.
How many grams?
Yes, I have
8.
3.7. I will make the recess 3.7.
3.7.
Yeah. First the 3.3, okay? See? Chara mo.
Yan, may mga picture.
Give me.
Okay.
This one is nice and white. This one, the red, more better than the white.
Lipat.
3.3.
Sige na, ate. Ginagawa na ba, ate? Iwanan ka namin muna, ate.
But see,
It's
now
okay?
3.3.
Ha?
Paano ba yun, Bel? Paano ba yun?
Yes, tell me.
Okay.
You're thinking?
Yeah, only this, the lock. Only one.
She
I
will
want only.
put here.
Only round one.
Put round here.
Okay, this side. Round one.
Yes.
400.
Yes.
Alam mo, mas maigi nang huwag mong palitan to. Kasi no.
Ayaw nga ipaputol ng
Kaya nga,
amo.
yan, siya lang pa rin. Lalagay mo
Kung-
lang dito. Lagyan mo lang ng kuhan.
Kung
Lagyan
pwede nga daw, sabi niya,
sa circle.
i-cut daw ng konti, pero ibigay ko na lang daw yung kalahati. Wag na daw ako magbayad.
Pwede din. Ilog ka, ano ba yan? 18 carats ba yan?
Ngayon ko, patingin ko nga.
Sabi mo nga kung 18 carats ba yan. 21. Maganda
That
niya.
time you know only this one okay. Only 2, 3 not.
Hindi siya
I
gold.
will the check the
Gold plated.
I will
Fake
the
siya,
check the
fake.
size okay. Yeah, the okay.
Diba? Kuya, how much this?
Only 4 BD.
4?
5 BD.
It's not 3.
Not possible to put this one black here?
Oh, narinig niya guys.
Huh?
It's
No, this
Then you put
Four
it back
daw.
again
Yeah.
this?
kuya na. Hindi siya gold. Fashion lang siya. Huwag kayong ano ha. Uy, may mga pangalan.
Ayan
Look.
yung sa bulaklak na magkano kaya yun.
Yun o. May mga name.
Yan yung passion lang?
Oo, ate.
Magkano daw?
Maganda. Magaan kasi siya eh. Sabi niya 5 daw 4. Pero, bilhin ko to 3 BD. Fashion lang kasi dito. Ito oh, may maroon pa dito gold. Wala naman, nanakaw na to dito. Nakakapasok yung mga namimili. Ay, hindi naman to gold eh. Gold ba to? Oh, gold. Parang hindi.
Yan yung kulay ng ano ko.
Parang kuwan lang siya, gold plated lang.
Tingnan
Ah,
mo,
gold,
Bella,
gold.
siya, oh.
22 carats siguro.
Sino man sabi ko sa'yo?
Ay, oo. Ano yan? Siya? Doon?
Sa daffodils doon.
Hello, bagang kuan lang tin, no? Hindi ko kaya sinusuot yung binili ko doon. Oh, hindi pala sa paa lang. Brace, kuan pala. Ano ba yun yung binili ko? Anklet lang pala yung binili ko yun doon sa kanila. Okay na yan, te? Yan na yan. Yan na yan, oh. Nagpapakuan kasi ito. Sino ba naman, oh? Niraguluhan ng amo ng gold. So, ngayon malaki. Ito paliitin.
Pero sa akin sana.
Shenicol.
so 2020 the red coming.
Shenicol.
You make anything no problem.
Shenicol. Yan na. I'll pay this one.
Yes, tell me.
Kuya, how much to put this na?
This one name? 35, 40
You
BD.
put it back. How?
This one. Ano ito yung gusto mo?
Hindi, yung kwintas.
21 karat.
Quintas, this?
Yes, tell me.
You put
This
it
one,
back
21
again.
carats?
When?
Which one you
21
remove,
carats
you
daw,
put
like.
it back again.
Mahal-mahal yan.
Because you cut here, ha? Like
Very
this.
difficult tax.
Then you put
Kuya,
it
ate,
back
huwag mo siyang
again.
masyaduhin kung
No, I will
kuan.
tell you. This one I will cut here, okay? And this one I will fixing here. Baki piece I will give you back.
No, I give you the piece.
18 karat. 900 milli chain.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, like that, okay?
But I want this.
After I will, small piece I will give you. After better than, after this one also. Actually, 8.
No, I give you the piece. I see.
She will give you, she will not pay.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, no.
She will not pay. What's this, 81 karat?
How many K that one?
21 carat.
21.
Oh, so no need to pay.
More than no piece, eh? Small piece.
Di, hingiin mo na lang.
Okay, I will check the size.
No. Panin mo.
Here, okay?
Yeah, that's...
Sure? I will cut here. After this one, I will fix it. Baki piece, I will take.
Yan lang.
But I want the clip. Like this.
Kasi nga kung gusto mo yan, tatanggalin mo
After
ito.
you're changing.
Ayan yun.
Gusto mo clip, tanggalin
Para
yun,
yun
te.
sa
Huwag ka na
ano,
makuha
oo.
sa amo mo na ano.
Kaya
Importante magmaganda yan. Gusto mo yun, di ba? Oh, change yan, clip.
21K?
Yeah, the chain 18, ring, earring, pendant 21.
Yan na.
70 something coming. Too much heavy.
I want cheaper, like light only.
How much, Makano?
10.
Eh, this one, not too
10
much
baby.
heavy.
Ito okay?
Ha?
For necklace, ha?
Yeah.
Not nice. What's...
Yeah, with the chain?
Yucks.
And this chain okay?
No, this one I don't like.
Okay, your choose. No need this one?
This the dolphin
Too
one.
much heavy. My
Yeah,
money
that-
only 20.
The I have dolphin one.
Kuya.
This one?
Oh my god. Only 2
No. Yeah.
This one heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy.
Heavy kasi may bata siya.
22 carat, around the more than...
Yala, and this only. This one only. How much this?
I am selling 7 BD, 8 BD, 6 BD. But you are the combined Christmas. 4
Not
BD.
Christmas. For
For
big.
Christmas.
This only fashion.
This for sure.
Fashion. Walang pera. You give me na.
38.
I
How much
want
you're
the
looking?
light.
I know you.
20!
I will give you 20 something.
Dali na ate, mamimili pati. Lasing ko na.
I like...
Namimili na nga
I
tayo
know,
eh.
I know. I will give you. You have the 20 BD budget, I will give you 20.
But good quality, ha? Good, ayan!
Look nice.
Ito is cheaper price, 20 BD coming. Ito.
Wala not, it's not 18 or 15.
18 carat.
This one?
Yeah, 18 carat.
15.
But huy, binuo ko. Mapapatid to, oh.
Mapapatid yan, manipis.
But, the,
Manipis, oh, manipis.
Oo. Oh.
but I will give you this one. You are now the take. I will give you
15.
70. Too much kuripot, eh? You are too much.
15. Because no uyab. It's not, if no uyab, it's kuripot.
Like this, ha?
No habibi. No habibi, no. It's kuripot.
Yeah,
That's why.
that
I
one.
don't like long one.
Yala.
Ay,
This one like that also.
oh, this one. This one, 17.
Yeah, 70.
La.
Ha?
Ano ba vegetables na
Those-
sila? Kuya, the light one I want. This one. This, the near.
How much you? 10 video?
Yeah, little.
This one little smaller.
You give me na, please.
Ayaw kasi, ano sa buhok ko.
And plus this.
This one little more than okay. I will put back. This one I will give you the last price. I'm selling 15 video. I will give you.
This one.
Sige na.
10.
8. Wallah.
10 yellow.
You are too much kuripot.
That's why because no habibi, it's kuripot.
No, baby.
Yala.
Sige
10.
na. No, that 10. Only see. I
It's
am
an 18 carats.
18 BD. I am selling this item. I am giving also.
This
your
one, how many grams?
600 milli.
600. Look.
You check the 600 milli, the gold price.
Yala, 10.
Yeah.
That's
After
why.
you are giving me the extra money also.
10.
Some-
Okay, I will pay 15 together this. Deal or no deal?
Dealer you?
Yeah. Together this one. Okay.
I don't know your calculation.
15. 15 together this one. Huh?
Ito more than
This is the last. Bakit butterfly kukunin ko, te?
I will give you something.
Okay naman ang
Your weight,
butterfly, no?
Your weight, I will give you something. Ito coming 46 back coming.
Ay, naku.
Naku, are nakanda.
Ako hari ng ganda.
Bakit naman 40 na?
This one 28 like that.
Yala. Bye.
I will show you something.
Hindi kayo. 20 lang pira.
Ano yan? Gold.
Ito oh, ang ganda oh, Bill. 17 lang.
Manipis lang, te. Parang wala pa,
kahit ikaw
wala pa tayong ganyan, no? Wala pa tayong ganyan, no? Nakuha ko sa Santong Paspasan.
No problem.
How much this? 18?
20 nga eh.
18? So I have to...
18K.
Actually 30 BD, but I will give you 22.
30, why is 30? It's not 1 gram.
No, because handmade. Your record.
O yan, salarin. May picture kami niya, nasa taas. O, di ba?
This on
yes.
Facebook or
Oo, kayo.
YouTube. You can follow me. You can follow me in YouTube.
YouTube.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, my name.
Give me money, eh?
My money? I don't have money yet.
See?
Yes, nice.
Maganda.
Maganda na. Okay na.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You want separate
Ready
bill?
the-
Only one bill, okay?
Okay.
This one?
Yes.
Together all one bill?
No, I give you already. Yeah, I don't have it. I paid the other one. So that's... This is my only receipt.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay.
Eh, kung mawala yung isa. Basta man.
If
Ayusin
using the
mo.
one,
Make it nice.
I will buy here one.
Inshallah, you're coming. You're my Suki customer. That's why. How much?
She's only one. Not me. Not the other.
35.
Give me installment.
Yeah, hulugan, yeah.
Oh, yeah, ate. Hulugan.
See, actually, I am taking only 33 BD. You see?
But it's bad.
Yeah, that's why.
Kanong down? 10.
That's why I am too much kuripot.
10 or 5.
2019, no, I am not the kuripot.
2019, you're not Kuripot.
No, because that time no the VAT.
Now, how
Now
bad?
the 2020 the VAT coming.
So guys, if you want to hear the what's this, the name?
Prestige jewelry.
Prestige Gift Jewelry in
yeah.
Bahrain. So, they will give
Maganda price.
maganda price, nice price, discount. So I will signature here. Okay.
Thank you this one.
And your name?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, my name?
CPR.
Uy.
Yes. Open.
Ano yan? Hindi na ko kaya mangutang, Day. Hindi ko na kaya mangutang.
Ha?
Paputangin niyo ako?
And the
Hindi.
Kayo umutang kayo dito.
mobile number.
Kuha ako.
Okay. Telephone number?
Yeah.
It's need? No need na.
And the CPR number.
35099167.
Okay.
So,
And CPR number.
CPR?
See, 2020 too much rule coming government.
What's this, ate? You give your CPR, ate? Wait.
No.
Before I'm mataba, look that one.
Ganyan sa'yo.
So no empty or just only the clothes? This you can write.
Oh, see? Too much matawa.
This one is the before. It's 2016.
Yeah.
Si Sir na ba yan?
Hindi, oh. May kasama ibang babae. Okay.
Okay.
Kalbo kasi.
Kalbukasi. What the kalbukasi?
Kalbo is no hair. Yan. So they called kalbo in Taga-Philippine word. Okay, you can put here.
Dahil magkano pa?
Yung ano, Day? Wala na akong pera, ate. Bakit kasi nagpakuam pa ako?
I'm tired, eh?
Ako may
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. Thank you for the gift you give to us.
Thank you,
The discount.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Come the good city and Prestige
Hey, I
Jewelry
will show you
Bahrain.
my yala.
You show me my shop name. Show me the outside the going.
Your shop?
Actually, I am working here.
No, this is your shop.
No, I am only working.
Okay, yeah.
But I will give you Maganda price.
number. No number.
You want anything?
Yeah, she don't have number. Ate, write mo na lang. Day, write mo na lang yung number ko.
Ito.
Yes.
This one stone after Mafifaida.
After
You want to check
Mafifaida.
This one, 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 this one.
Ay, sorry.
Have money.
How much you how much?
Kuya, can you get this one? The picture, then I will make it picture here.
No,
How many
already
carat?
fixing. I will.
How many carat?
21 carat. I will show you.
Wait.